In this video, we are going to discuss how to use Algo Strategy Builder to automate bear put spread strategy with ease. Let's first break it down to understand the psychology behind it, as well as answer the important questions how to do and why to do. The psychology behind it is when there is a downside trend expectation, when you don't want to have unlimited loss and want to keep the investment with hedge benefit. How to do? Buy the nearest put option to spot price and sell lower strike prices OTM from the spot price. Why to do? To ride the downtrend with the predefined loss. Let us now look at how modern algos can be used to easily deploy the strategy in the live market. As discussed earlier, under Algo Strategy Builder, you may choose any common strategy and deploy it. So here we choose bear put spread. Now first you choose whether you want to enter an intraday or positional strategy. Here we have chosen positional. Next, need to decide the spread for entering the strategy. The auto-populated premium is shown. If you wish, you can change the amount or even enter 0 for market orders. Apart from it, you can also define the start and end time of the strategy. Then below, automatically the legs to be entered are shown, wherein we are buying a put option at 540 and selling a put option at 530. Along with it, you can view the payoff chart and parameters like max profit, max loss, among others. Lastly, define the strategy's target and exit conditions for trade management. So what should be the criteria for deciding on them? In two simple ways we can decide. First based on max profit and loss and the other based on investment. In the case of a positional strategy, we can consider 50% of the max profit and loss as our strategy's profit and stop loss. And in the case of an intraday strategy, a certain percentage of the investment amount can be taken as profit and stop loss. Here, based on max profit, we are fixing the profit as 3,094, and based on max loss, we have set the overall stop loss to 3,156. Finally, click on Submit to start automatically trading in your strategy. In this way, you can choose any common strategy, make modifications, and start automating a strategy. Stay tuned to know about other strategies in detail and how to automate them.